Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes a reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into socialbee.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So this is the homepage as you can see. First of all, I will show you the first step, which is signing up. So you have just to click over sign up here and you write your email address and your password, then you get started with socialbee.com. So this is the dashboard, this is how it looks, and we have here 4 steps to getting started with SocialBee. So SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively. To get started, first sign up for an account like that. Connect your social media profiles, then create content categories based on your marketing goals, such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling feature, which helps you repurpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility effortlessly. So, if you, as you can see, we have the dashboard. So we have here connected social accounts. We have here Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X or Twitter, Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, Blosky, Universal Posting. Then we have the second thing here, it's content. If you scroll down, we have other information like here, service marketplace, hire, SocialBee experts. Are you an agency? Then we have here become a social media manager, how to use SocialBee, and then we have here content. So about this one, we have categories, hashtag collection, import CSV, we have important import links, import media, and we have pocket here, Zapier, we have browser also extension, content approval. So about this one, you have just to click over create category and you get started with it. You have it, for example, content without category. So content, you choose it, and you can also show that. We have here created at church party content you find, engaging posts also, and this is how it works. For example, we have hashtag collection here, import CSV also. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to account with a CSV import. Then we have import links here. About this one, as you can see, you can just click over here and you will import your link, for example. Then we have here, you write your links, then you write your category and you append text. Then we have import media here. Here we have place to the social profiles you want to share. So you add photos or videos here, then category also, and append text. And this is the same with pockets also and Zapier. Then we have your social media copilot. So about this one, you can just here we have answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use the social media copilot here. So, how are you creating this? You choose between person and company, Then you'll find other checklists. What is your name? You write your name and then you answer all this question. Then we have schedule setup. About this one, we have here this is how your categories are scheduled. Looks good. If not, just change it. For example, here we have compact views. For example, our Monday you can just add posting time, Tuesday here, Wednesday also, and we have your calendar view. So you have just to write what you want to do here. So by the way, this SocialBee it's just for planning how you can success with social media and how you can post, like for example reels and also stories, posts also. So this is how it works. Then we have your next posts. We have a list view here, calendar view, grade review, then we have filled posts also. So we choose the one you want, then you get started with it. Take a look at your upcoming 100 posts. So this is how it works. For example, Monday you will post 100 posts. For example, Tuesday you will post 2 stories. Wednesday also. And this is how it works. And then we have create preview here and filled posts. Then we have analytics here. So about analytics, we have see here how your social profile has been performing and growing. We have your page analytics, post analytics, insights, post history, export also. So this is also how it works with analytics. Then we have here concierge B services. The first step to getting your concierge services is filling in the intakes. Do that here now and start saving time. You have intake requests, fill in intakes also. Then you have here engage, add new port. So let's click over here and you add your new port. Then we have here help. If you wanna any help, all you have to do is click over here and you have just to write a topic here, your message, and you can also add photo or videos, then you send and you will get your answer. So this is how it works with SocialBee, and you have just to get started right now. So SocialBee offers a comprehensive solution for managing your social media strategy efficiently by organizing, for example, content into categories, scheduling posts in advance, and utilizing recycling features. You can maintain a consistent and engaging online presence. Coupled with robust analytics, SocialBee empowers you to refine your approach and maximize your reach. With this tool, you can focus more on creating quality content and less on the logistics of posting, ultimately driving better results for your brand. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.